Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need the iPhone unlocked and updated. Once done, go straight to Settings. Tap Accessibility, then Audio/Visual. This is where the flash for alerts lives. You're starting now because the light isn't a separate toggle anywhere else. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Focus modes are off while you change the flash so you see the effect. If your device prompts for permission, accept it. Otherwise, proceed to the specific flash for alerts control in the next step. You'll flip the actual switch that controls the notification light. Inside Audio/Visual, find LED flash for alerts and turn it off. Once you toggle that, also disable flash on silent if present so the light won't appear when your phone is muted. Make sure to test immediately. Send a message or trigger a notification to confirm the LED no longer flashes. If you still see light, check Focus/Do Not Disturb and the camera flash. Once you've turned off the LED toggle and tested, restart the iPhone to ensure the setting persists. If the light still activates, go back and reset accessibility settings to defaults. This clears conflicts. Make sure any third-party apps aren't using the camera flash for alerts. Force close them and test again. If the LED continues to flash despite these steps, contact Apple support or visit a Genius bar. Hardware or firmware anomalies are the only remaining explanations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.